festivals akhona.
Yes.
How important is that as artist ukuthi ungathi ngoba wenza imaskandi ugcine nje lapho kodwa uvuleke now to that commercial market and have those festivals and have those fill up the stadium, you know, appeal to every single person.
Yes, I always say be an artist,
Yeah.
but at the end try to be a brand.
Yeah.
So you can't rely on releasing songs, then it's end there.
Yeah.
You need to release songs and do something that can convert you to a brand. So that even if awusaculi manje sewukhulile, but we know ukuthi washiya igama.
Yeah.
Because if when uzorelect mina ngirelease music iphelela lapho, next year uzongabi na hit song, then sesikhohliwe. But if you try to do something like fill up the stadium.
Wakhipha ne perfume at some point.
Yes. Kunencwadi ibhuku. There is all lezo zinto ziconverted to a brand. So uzokwazi ukuthi ulaste. Yabo. Futhi uzogcina ungasaqhathaniseki because if uzoreality nini you are releasing a songs. Uzoqhamuka omnye umfana manje. Kamaskandi uzoshaya ingoma ezodlule yakho. Then siyakhohlwa wena ngoba wena ucompete ngengoma. But ucompete ngokuba ibrand at the same time we artists. Provide ngazo zonke izinto. So I always ngikhuthaza abaculi ukuthi ungabi artist inguna phakade. Try to be like Casper, like Abotira, like Abo Big Zulu. Wenze ezinye izinto, wenza ama show like uSjava. Wenza ama show. Leyo nto leyo yenza ukuthi sizokuhlonipha. Even noma ingoma ingekho next year ngathi awuke release. Siyakwazi ukuthi kodwa ungathatheki khona. Yes, so kubalekile.
Asikhulume ngomculo Aubrey usanda khipha album Mkabayi The Legacy, right? Is this a sequel to the first one?
Yeah, kwaba ngazi uMkabayi la kaShaka